Hello friends, good morning. My name is Ajay Kot. Today video topic is constructor. In a Java is the constructor is the block of the codes. In a similar to the method, it is also called when a instance of the classes is the created at the time at the calling of the constructor. Memory of the object is located in the memory. It is a facial of the type of the method which is the used to the utilization of the object. Every time of the object we create the using the new keyword at the last one constructor is called. It is the call of the deflect constructor is the non-constructor available in the classes. In such cases, is the Java is the compiler is the providing the deflect constructor in by the deflect. There are the two type of the constructor. First one is the constructor is the non-argument, and second is the parameterized constructor. And also, where there is the first one is the rules of the creating the Java is the rules of the creating the Java is constructor. First rule is there are the two rules is depend for the constructor. First one is the constructor name must be the same at is the class is name. A constructor is must be the no duplicate return type. A Java is the constructor is that cannot be abstract the static final and synchronized. And second point is the Java deflector constructor. A constructor is called as the deflector constructor when it is do not have any parameter, syntax, class name. What is the purpose of the deflect constructor? The deflector constructor is used to the provided the deflect value to the object like null, etc. depending on the type. And second is the example of the deflect constructor. In this is the example we are the creating the non-organized the constructor in a bike class. It is the will be the include the at the same time in object of the construction. And Java program to create the call of the deflect constructor. Class is bike1, creating the deflect constructor. Bike1 sysout bike is the create main method, public static void main, and calling the deflect constructor. Bike1 b is equal to new bike. And second type is the Java premised constructor. A constructor which have specify the number of the parameter is also called as a premised constructor. The use of the premised constructor. The premised constructor is used to the provide the different value to the object value. How can be provided the same value object? Example of the premised constructor. In an example we have the create the constructor of the student class, the have the two parameter. We are having the any number of parameter in a constructor. Java program to the demo static program. Use of the premised class student int id string name and creating the premised constructor. Student object string I string n, id is equal to I, name is equal to n, method to the display to the value y display is equal to sysout id plus name. And what is the public static void main, creating the object as passing value student s1 is equal to new student and calling the method to the display value of object. And constructor of the overloading. In Java is the constructor is the just like of the method but the without the return type. It can be also the overloaded like a Java method. Constructor is the overloading in a Java is a technical of the having the more than one constructor with the different parameter. It's they are the arranged in the way that is the constructor is the program a different task. The are the different by the compiler by the number of the parameter in the list and there are the type. And second type is the difference between the constructor and method. A constructor is used to the utilizes the state of the object. The method is used to the observe the behavior of the object. A constructor is the must not be have the return type. A method is must have the return type. A constructor is name is must be the same as the class. and method. The method is the same, may or may not be same as the class name. Thank you. Today's section.